In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send survey questionnaires using Forms in Outlook. By the end, you'll know how to build a quick survey in Microsoft Forms and share it directly through Outlook, so your recipients can respond with just a click. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook, and open the official Outlook website from Microsoft. If you're not already signed in, use your regular account to access your mailbox. Once you're in Outlook on the web, look to the top left corner for the App Launcher, often called the waffle icon. Click that to open the list of Microsoft 365 apps, and then select Forms. This will take you into Microsoft Forms, where we'll create the survey you plan to send. On the Forms homepage, choose the option to create a new survey. This gives you a clean, focused structure that's perfect for gathering responses. To speed things up, click Quick Start With. This feature helps you add questions efficiently without hunting through menus. For the question type, pick Choice. A choice question is great for simple multiple-choice responses and makes it easy for people to answer quickly on any device. Click into the question field and type your prompt. For example, you might ask, "Do you feel more motivated by recognition or financial incentives?" Then add your answer options. For the first option, type recognition. For the second option, type financial incentives. You can add more details in the description or adjust options like allowing multiple answers if it fits your needs, but for this example, a single choice question keeps it clear and actionable. When your question looks good, it's time to get the link you'll share in your email. Click Collect Responses at the top. This opens the sharing panel, where Forms generates a unique link to your survey. Click Copy Link to put that URL on your clipboard. This link is what your recipients will click to open and complete your survey. Now switch back to your Outlook tab. From your inbox, click New Mail to start a new message. Click into the message body, where you'll write your note and paste the link you just copied. Consider adding a short introduction explaining the purpose of the survey and how long it will take to complete, so people know what to expect. When you're ready, add your recipients, a clear subject line, and you're all set to send. That's it! Your survey is live, and you've shared it through Outlook in just a few minutes.